Guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. If you're new, make sure you subscribe. Click on the post notification bell to join my squad. As for the returning subscribers, thank you so much for tuning in and I really appreciate. So in today's video, we're gonna talk about Ringtone Apoko addressing Eric Omondi and his 9 wives. Make sure you watch this video till the end. Comment down below and don't forget to subscribe.
Empty hearts and neon lights, they're playing with my mind. Gotta get out of here tonight. Oh, I wanna run.
So, Ringtone thinks Eric Omondi is just using the girls and wasting their time. Ringtone has offered any girl who quits the wife material show 100 G's, that is 100,000 Kenyan shillings, for her to start a business with the money instead of wasting time with Eric Omondi.
Yo, good evening, watu wote. Good evening everybody. This is Ringtone. Na nafurahi sana kuweza kuongelesha leo. Now, I want to address wale wasichana ambao wako na Eric Omondi wanazunguka. Nataka kuambia, kwa sababu nyinyi ni wadogo, tunajua Eric Omondi ana misuse, anawatumia na kutenekeza tabia mbaya. Kama your brother na mmebarikiwa, nataka kuwaoffer 100,000 each. Anybody who quits, I give you 100,000 to start a business. Ama ufanye kitu kingine. Tafadhali mtoke kwa hiyo kikundi ya Eric Omondi, ni mkora na mtu wa shetani, anapenda tabia mbaya. So tafadhali tokeni madada zangu wadogo na nitawapea shilingi 100, 100,000 kila mmoja mwenye anatoka. Mbarikiwe. Look for me.
Then people went ahead and commented on that video. Let me just read some of the comments here. From this person, he says, "Huyu apin location, hii kizungu si ya Mkenya." Another person, "You are one guy who is always positive, kind, and caring. God bless you always." Another person, "Lakini wewe tu Ringtone, shida yako kwa nini? Kama watu wa shetani ni kama Eric, nimekubali kuchomeka." How Maslay Queen, hiyo ndo pesa ya nywele, makucha, mavazi. Sema 500 G's, utaona moja moja. Sema tu you want Shakila back. Si unipe hiyo pesa. So guys, that's what people are saying. And do you think Eric Omondi is just wasting the girls' time, their energy and everything, kissing them, you know, like romantic times? Just give your opinions in the comment section below and let me know what you think about this.
I don't tell myself it's fine to be alone, just to find somewhere that finally feels like home.
So guys, we've come to the end of this video. Thank you so much for watching, and remember, if you enjoyed the video, make sure you give it a thumbs up, comment down below, and don't forget to subscribe. And guys, I'll be back with more videos. Bye.
I hate all this.